Parents are the best gift on this planet. Part 4 of 5 on Between Master and Disciples, given in English and Chinese on November 24th, 2019 in New Land Ashram, Taiwan, also known as Formosa.
Apple pie only I have. You don't have?
苹果派只有这些。还有。
别人没有哈？
不是松饼，有的是苹果派，有的是松饼
啊，
两种。
OK，Thank you。问什么？One. Today you eat everything. They happy when she's not here. I don't know why. I always give her a lot of things. And they're shy. They don't look and I forget. Today she's not here. I remember they exist. Okay. You take some back for some of the girls. Huh? 有没有一个便当盒？哦，又来了，哇，好吃好吃 ，Thank you very much。和尚吃够吗？够吗？他们两个没东西吃啊，带过去，一人一块啊，一人一块，好玩吗 ？Did I give you this? No. Okay, you guys can share. Okay, can share, yeah. All right, this one's for you guys to share. Very little. Sorry. Break it. Yeah, like that. And you want to break it. 1, 2, 3. Sack. No. It's okay, okay. Easy. Don't worry. 这个带去给厨房吃 ，OK？ 哦，好吃呢，那个好好吃。
再来一点
啊，可以吗？
可以啊，我很多。
我是不是？给你们。
OK， 我再弄一些来。
You hungry still? Okay. Don't be shy. She's easy to take care of. She eats anything. You brought her up well. Not picky. Ah. Oh, I have to go upstairs. Yeah?
Master, I just wanted to tell you that this, despite all the things that you said and all the things that you were not satisfied, but we are very, very grateful to be part of your family, and this is really like a dream.
Oh.
Very much like a dream.
You enjoy, yeah?
Yes, thanks
Good.
a lot.
Good.
Thank
I'm
you.
glad. Now you remind me I had to go upstairs soon, huh? Quickly, blah, 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 and go. You guys can go. Don't have to wait for me. I have to take care of the new people, huh? 哦，好吃，泡菜啊，这么特别啊，难怪有年糕不一样啊，是那个桃园的特别吗？桃园特殊吗？特产的，特殊的，在别的地方没有，我从来没吃过。
个人一个而已。
Can you eat this type of thing? Agar? No? No. For fun, yeah? Not much. Oh, they bring again? I know it. 这是，看看。你两个还没吃饭，那个护法没吃饭。I have one piece here left. 去吃饭了吗？吃饭了。你们每个礼拜都吃，我不在也拼着吃哈。太命好，命太好了。主法对你们好好啊，会黏他们。When we go upstairs, it's not too noisy. You can tell me again.
Yeah. Okay, I just said that we are very grateful and happy. We are happy to be a part of your family.
Oh. And we love you. I hear that. That no need translation. Thank you. We're going up soon, okay? You
Are
guys
you
eat.
getting a massage after that? A massage? Are you getting a lot of Thai massage?
Massage?
Yeah.
No, no. I'm very ticklish. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Everybody is dying to massage me. I always say, no, no. Sensitive. Cheers.
Dear Master, it was a long time ago I came and see you. It was 2006
Oh,
that last I saw you. Do you permit me to come with them? Can I come with them? Sit with them? With new initiate? Can I come?
yeah, sure.
Yeah. Thank you.
Can
Thank
do.
you.
Can do.
Thank you.
This is also very good, huh? They keep bringing, so I have to eat something. Did you eat this? Good? Want some more? Yes? No? No? No. You're learning. Good. Come. Huh? Good disciple. There. All mine now. Huh? Want some? Yeah. This is so small, I'm worried it run outside. What's that? I tried to get rid of it, come more. You guys still want to eat it. That is sweet potato, huh? The Latin Americans, they like them. Why don't I give you the whole thing? It's behind you. Latin Americans, they like sweet potato. This is new, eh? Sure you don't want some? You're so shy. Why are you so shy? You should stay, and then you learn something. In the ashram, if you're shy, everybody else wants it. Right? Want some? Sure. Đó. बहुत अच्छा. Tell me about your country. They have an ocean or in inland.
Pardon, ma'am? Master?
You have sea around
No,
water.
but not in Ludhiana, not in Punjab, but yes, India there is.
I know.
Yeah, but not in Punjab.
Not where you live, right?
No.
Oh, I like the ocean. I don't know why. Oh, more food. Oh, tastes good. Yum. I like this one. This one. I like the gurk. Anybody else want? Raise hand. Oh, okay. Take some. One person come here. You didn't have enough? You want some more food?
Okay.
You are still hungry? If you are, you go ask the kitchen for more. They have some. I just like this, like an appetizer. Good, huh? 不用了啦。有啦，吃很多了，你就一直带来。Thank you. You need something more? Eat for fun, huh? If you can. If you have any problem, you tell the whoever is responsible here, any group that take you to the doctor. We have a doctor in the house. And I told her to stay here to take care of you. So, she's here 24/7, huh? Good idea. Về厨房了啊。厨房，混在一起啊。厨房。I don't want to go to work. I want to sit here, eat. Seems like a good job. Huh? Sit here, everybody loves you, and you eat. Oh, good job. Why go anywhere else, right? You're funny, no? Korean, no? No. Chinese. Chinese only. Good, good. À? Trung Quốc nữa gì hả? You want a banana? I have more. Because you only have fruit, you didn't eat all the things. But I feel embarrassed now to stay here, so I have to go. Go upstairs. Okay? Andiamo. Ang